morning.
Good morning, Capito.
Adom,
or the enkwa, what they are saying free 1 year.
Lovely.
Oh, one can money lovely. And Quan and the money lovely.
Oh, my way, shadow.
Oh, you are never fool. So, what is one what yes, more?
You are my American.
What is one what yes, him, say? Who, Quanisa, hey, Mijinaso. When say me one am say Jinaso. Do. Menya are you almost size in Libya?
5'3". They shall not soon yet bad the crowd.
5'3". Sir, near Wakakra.
Also, the ivory name, the green will cry green bear.
Onya color blind dear Bihu. Capido. Another why I say South Africa student, you know. O shirt and this and you will see why I come now. O metro producer and was it? Yes, I don't know one happened. Or put as I be tasty trouble. Maybe I walk and I'm so uncle no go to name Pinofo. Get them Pion continue for no massing when you met.
A carnation aroma. So this is my big fan.
Hey, Musumanumiamudo. But who say Adiano? How's that cocoa? And we're trying to fit.
And you're trying to fit. How's a coconut?
How's a cocoa than if it and a digestive system? When you are there, when you are there, there's so new. Oh, Madame, that's my new Yamajor. May I, they say, dear. You never. Capito.
Thomas Mami Apollonia City Development across New City, Cabell, our milk. Second Kings Real Estate, the home for kings. Call 0244645784. Latest, form your partner for life. Agbeve Herbal Center. Wayara Safi. Lily Rice, tasty food, happy family. Tabia Herbal Mixture, your true and authentic herbal medicine. And Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? One minute, so I send you the apostle. The Ebrewo. You ain't apostle, the NHS agenda them. Jubilee Parks, you know. Yes, I come you. Every morning, say,
money,
yes, sir. Oh, that's how I know them. Miss Men can ask you.
Lovely.
Men can ask you. The open who crew may be a woman.
But who could I be?
What
lovely. My way, the opposite me who know my way. Captain, and I will can't Jubilee person. When you said last week after, say, ye re hano. And I may say, ye follow up, news, ye be follow up. Now, near a course. Ye free PRO no watermally, near free PRO or central region. Wouldn't mean say. PRO no watermally, no catch there, yen say. More reporter no so call, and I'm say, pictures come on. This can be true. Give me the pictures. This can never be true. I've been there. I've been passing there. And I'm say, wait. When I'm failure, I'm serious. Famano no the call ye. I feel my friend no say, that thing is too plenty. I'm downloading. Why? I don't know. Sending me baby, sir. And I'm so okay. Oh dear, your ma saying, or say, mommy, 10 minutes. 10 minutes need do ye. I just saw pay or be a year no. Phone we're doing the phone. Basically. Central region crowd the end or catch private investors are more bem. Or more private investors are more bem. It's your more bemwa near my bay ye. Now when the one or dodgy or dodgy as I'm not going to Jubilee personal. I was say a search you be an anome casas mu ha. Ye the no media grow I was see a search I was see a tifu be a catching and do come. Me say it would take the youth of this country to rise before things will be right. I was say tifu be a catching. Me say I was say the youth of this country sorry. Say I'm sorry not taxpayers money. The beya na kwado me ma onka sensi. Unam kwa ho samria wo de ote trotro ma hwe nkrofo dodo a omoton no ma wo ka kwa ho wo de da wo ha no no me ha no no mo eton ne ma wo kwa ebi kura nya bi nye chese kwakwe safo hwe obi nano maame bi akra hye na chi e na osunsuo na obi to nsuo no sense san nipa ne ma ni ska no na ska na che na ka na hye asese tu na akwada hye maame achi
no sunso no dram ni kasa
nso
20 pesos
say be 20 pesos akam na no akamu a
na saafo no ni atete omoto ni de ama nipa seje ne faye mpuntuduma je ne fanye sei ne de aye adwuma ne de obi akotua no bosome so wode akatua wode ne se hweso na afi be wiase no ne ahwa ama no ma na tete apansam obi anka hwe e wo se obi tua ho ka
search charge ne de anya adwuma wo efi se akwan a ye nam suei akwan a katen ye nam suei wo hu akwan a MPP fo ba ye o ma ya asan tutu ene ne ye nya ye Asante region wo hu ne ye koso ene yenka latest home adabia me de ye example wo free TV Africa ho basa akwan no nipa no a wo ye
kwan no besi oe ho kakra no
odi besi oe o ye ne na chu tutu no akotem no asabe otoa so ne na chi tutu no akotitem no asabe toa so ene akwan ya chese yenye let my dey say ya amanfo su wo hu wo de chena wo be hu ne ebesi what you like my dear nube
was say ye MPP and this is 70 ne ka asem say de me ba yeti kroma ena panyini ba ko yi ye friend se pomre fini ni manase ne di nkoma okodua dua wo nofa edua no okodua ne pebre ini edua sabe enya Ghana
agambiri die nana
pebre ni edua ba ko kwa de manase
a dam ni so
manase bisan se na udua wie ye no sanka wo so wo ho ban se de be ya de om ka se mo awe no se de be ya mo anwo se ye ka chem se minua anka se me mo ho ban Ghana shiska kwa
edukumi
abra seska wi minyade akomi krom aguna bi poa
Jubilee Park
de akoy putuduma
Jubilee Parks na ho sanka ye bo ho ban yi ne ye hwe so yi a anka ye betimi dia kasem after Ghana di 100 years no ne de yensat no so say ye di 50 years na years ajapade but I can say Cape Coast dia no say de tie no o say me ko Cape Coast me ko Professor Mills library ho no ho na menam me hwe ani mu ha no kwa entina me na hwehwe maso ana me ma guy bi o ye adwuma wo castle ho so onko o say smart I'm able to manage you. I'm saying about why you go had my high, how Miss Mahar, but and I'm Kitapano, Mazuko, Muntum, Paddy Nanko. Yes,
assembly for no idea to say, a yen sayensa. Enti so obi ko organize program bia wo Jubilee Pass no one more. Pay money, momu Jessica man. Enti sika no amodie no. Enso hwe na medidi kura say assembly hye ya amoye mu no enia ma japade e wo no e wo se mo maintenance no say na moye no na we yaka we na we se madum me phone che say onim se wo bi anya ne hwe
me say ekwe adrum mra esese the youth of this country bi so bi anu na ohwe CNN Puerto Rico omo meyo bakoka de yenka 5 days mebu ni gu abontafe ne ho hyehye no resignation letter or throw we ba almost the way o si throw ne nye o mo mpene saa onko throw from no ho papa no. The youth of Ghana, it's about time. Sorry. They catch the penny for the say we are sick and tired.
Black Stars by Nkonta no mabu.
Kokromoti na ye betumi ede atapa.
Nkonta no omo ba omabu Black Stars.
Why na bebu Black Stars in Nkonta sports ministry ne bu.
There me kan Nkonta na say me say Black Stars by omo also bu.
Nankasa wo do omo course support Black Stars. Black Stars team nankasa be dru Ghana. Supporters that were Egypt.
Omo je den.
Omo ko support.
Ye mo ball ni wi.
Omo support Senegal.
Ye mo ball ni wi nti omo.
Ye mo Nigeria for abasoma ya de omo di 10. Ade ani pa bi antimi anya Nigeria for aye. Na mamefa akonya we na Abrantie Charles ni ama Mensa Junior aka Shatawale aka Yamara baso esanse oni Beyonce de na me hwe ni interview
in Africa da
na utie nsema na o kana nyame wo kwan fa so ye ni bibia nyame wo kwan fa so ye ni bibia na me de se abagana sanke ko ba bia anka samrinka Shatawale nke ni sika so ne de nam ne ebo abe pa won centrofo na ha kakra na ye nuanum bia na me no more problem no sanka Shatawale ko ya ade enya anka samrinka wiase fa na nyina ate ba we e ba ye no asa amanfo ka ase ye nka ye mo na baso nipa ya ade wo sa yi
wa ya ade
Ewurade Adom Beyonce bo pe awmanfo no ma wonim say wo hwe album ne so a wo mo maka nyina no obi a ye nwom wo keka wo mabom aye nwom but ayi nipa ba ko pe e no ne Beyonce eto nwom abom Shatawale nko
simple and short
Shatawale nko ye bebo mabaso ne Chris Conne ne ebusuafo ni nyina SM family eni ade nyina ye bebo mabaso Ghana for we are the pack in abefi
SM for life
for life pa
there be yan kan sa mo sha se autobo ase pa no I die pa
so far obi a congratulate no ama also on Stone Boy cried in komo and they were happy mudi ntimo a motenche na amore ho no yes o madi nkomo and now o ma so mo yanuanum ti now the family bond is there sa akode dem say okotwete ya
anya hwe yemfa no
unia blasting but before say be come personal concert party Kufuridua for mo hwe ni mu on say multimedia say any national theatre album rebranded concert party 28th July baso e was CNC e Kufuridua na groups o be perform no all stars o mu free Accra sanso na de pa mu free Kufuridua and a comedians no so Santana onu free Accra and a Black Queens o mu so free Kufuridua and a band on be boy Ghana Police Service Band into man for hwe mu 28th ye ba live ye be ba ho
what's menum ye me there Dwaso Nsem
wanum
abena oda wachi
kodwe no wanum nkwa na yo de
Fadwo
oh lovely mema wanum
kosua ya no a ye twitwa ene de ya kire ye de aka ho ade ahye pa no adai
edi enko na mo
mo sori am se Ghana ye de
munko bo
di we nya wia di we nya kodafo kohwe enso kro obi nya bi no anom fom dafo
na yes one so go free dafo
we am se Ghana ye
na yes one be so go free dafo
Ewurade ye bi ma wa yi na ye
president your friend na na
Ewurade ye bi ma wa yi na ye nyame nim se dafo ho no do beto Ghana anya hwe kra sori ano pay hwe ena bi ni se kwabrane we abetri we ye production
the boxing
Casabre boxing and our bodyguard no jina national security no jina no president ba obi do kusu aya che ne de ano a
ebusha fo yenko yenimu a ebusha ha ya dum bibi atumisi ebusha daily graphic na no pay ye de hyase e wo de wongata no na poso ye de ebremu
na 17 na say wuro de mi ho
US and MC ni yo wo o my Ghana mu US man wa na MC ni yo wo my Ghana mu Stephanie Suvilan and what they atudwa say o my Ghana mu o emperimfo atena US ahwe mu se Ghana empuntuo no ekoso no ofeso wode what they ka ho enti US fo asem na make yi wo mo so mbe support ye fa dwadie hu
me se wo mo
dwadie hu agwa patu na ebe
wo mo bo ahwe wo mo de omo ye wa yewi
wam so mbeboa
na nado ka asem bi wo France wo ho ye yan kasa yan fa asem na nado ka ne njan krofo wo machidi Father Christmas bi ani ba bia wo agwa
wo mpa agwa bi
agwa sha na woni Ghana
yes
na wo kan use TV Africa wo
ye nyina sa nim se magwa ne
yes the socks be ko socks no gutama ha boss a pro
na wonu kwasi broni obeje wo sauce
dey ya dey abeto graphic enimu kakaka
okay asama yi kan Trump kan President Trump o say America enye Africa fo wo fa ne sori ayi pe bibia ya ba ho abesere
mude
enti abushia daily graphic asan de mu den na what tikra we show wo tumfo se tu enana de atudwa se leg bosomtwe wo se wo be yama na ye se fefefefefe sutade bi enioma yi mu a ebetwa leg bosomtwe na ne edi kan a wo be ye ne se wo be dua nnua 2.5 million atwa leg bosomtwe ho ahia se ya na wo se wonim sa woduma kuma hurusuo ye wo mia ya bodo ajapade ahodo no asanteman se leg bosomtwe wo somu ye no siesie ni ye a edisika bebre beba nti o se free sa bri kode enhehye ye agbaye no bebre yo de
2012 Youth for Development of Ashanti region yeah documents for the region e wo leg bosomtwe ho. And I said that Lake Busumtri can generate $17 million a year for Ashanti region.
Yeah,
Lake Busumtri here. You bet me the racing and kwa Busumtri so. A bear attract foreigners are obeba. We should have speedboats. That alone. And in Juma, ebe creative honor as so by tre. Yes, I suggested say, will it be some chemono? Answer the idea assassin or hobby mouse a fancy hotel. No, as I say, hotel no designs in you answer. Yamas assassin. They are yet the biggest gym in Ghana or Africa. Only it was some chemo.
And no ojum for so much or much as into wounds and so ebeba. Na fariphobia na no wonum so yes wo kopo so akoyi nam wo koye nko yada ne nam ebisa esubonto yi awatimu eda butu yese ye so mokọ na mframa fa wohwe ehumutu amanfo de na mbeto mo bo mse yebekọ mo beto mo bo mse yebekọ wo motena so ani gina na chese subonto ne da butu ye nipa nkono wo muti na ye se omunim ehwedade eti ya so omutete nsuo na nia kosi se wo munya fidie kase ye nsuo so etumi eboa yi nipa wato nsuo mu multicatodin yesi afidie ne sa na ye frɛ no MV multicatodin ena ekoyi wo munyina nipa nkron no ba kokora mfiri mu eti unya daily graphic no ewo mu sada so na sanda senior high school so yesi atum addition for ne se wo ye demonstration na say senior high school ne demonstration yo wo mo so mo ye demonstration numu ne yesi nipa ba ko afiri mu teacher say wo boafu ye sa na mpanifo se munko fie anya obi afie eti mbe dede a monko maame mo hono eti yesi ato sanda senior high school mu
ya enra me kai se Adom kase premtobre kase no me kai se omo the story ne baya na che se hadwen kwadwo hadwen esanse school de nki hu ye nki kwa kusua de na so koba se bia pinchim ba na obi de ne ba ko school woni so waja ne ba ne kwan ko school wono na so adwene o ye na dwuma obete ya se tu account ba
wonim se niam se sha ase eboboba so mu hu o wini bade no asan eboboba
o say yasi military ne police for ni ayifo nyina go sisi am
wini bade no anhye da anyo na ayese bola suja eti e wose mpanimfo hwe na omutu ase no se wudi national security any bia na ikogu on and solve problem
wonim se sa niam no mpanimfo no hwe ntu ase o wonim di intra sika bia ni obi benye bia di factors ye involved no sika ni hu eye student ne adanya yesisi ne dada ne sisi ho enti obi anye ye share that the police for soldier for koguo for just some of us to know say an action has been taken finito
na acquire intimidation tactics bi
mebruno demonstrations no afi na beba more and it's about time the national security realizes say human security is more important than any other thing. Simple.
Kwajo mentwazo. Mama for daily dispatch and fantwaso na daily dispatch so aye hwehwemu was we exclusive. Normal would Ghana edition nim edifa chamber $200 million. Our memu brashe bedwafo mpese omusie no ho.
Na
Ose
ubos can say
200 million
243 why? I am
243
million. I am
Captain, o fax ni free him. Because you mo present here 200 million. Was a check I say e bi kura enru. Ti o mo project say akosra.
E be 200 million.
Akosra be 200 million.
Wo pa ye mo kwan no munsi. No more final budget.
Oh, kwadwo me ha ho. Si ne de e dey o mo besi. Sa na de o krata
wo. Say we ya Canada say paper dey ba. After 2020 elections o besi chema.
No na waka no. Yes o mo twen 2020 Ghana this year yakoma to em ne kwatro ba mo wia
oh besi chairman de no
besi debi oma in the letter cry na keta do chiro ye no oma state anywhere say o munsi also for now
oma twea sense
oma ye from niemam
ba some can 200 million meboa let me cut 243 opa em fan say ha
ye betwa to baby na afi ya hwe
243 million. Because Sikana na eba na ye 200 no ma we fi say speaker ko pay 50 million free India be so so.
Me kai 40 million bi.
Money
India 40 million bi.
Me say
kai say Chairman Sabonsu. Honorable no kan wasem say India for my 40 million. But three now wo dia be so so na me hu be bi.
Yo, wo de me ma catch us 243 million. And finance minister wa make Sikana available dada wo. Budgetary allocation no it has been allocated dada.
It is Canada ho.
Sikana ye twa to ho dada nyesa afa ne ekopa ho besia. De na ekobare ye de speaker ebe pa be so ye 200 ne so.
Then no more for my answer say on crank bro ha eja baby o motete na say Evin Foundation dwuma mo ye ya o mo kopenti schools wo mo boa me schools any at the schools and the trees near the
one mbesi oh ade asese yan sese kasa
daily dispatch ensem bi ka we ho ne Womodi aba.
Ombesi.
Ayo, yemfa di Chronicle ento aso e. Na Chronicle so de aye de aba. Ene e mrahye badwani ma ho central. Ene ese na ano. Papa sorry yes abre na Joe Wise na ti adwam. Joseph Oso ewusu. First deputy speaker you wo mrahye badwam sa abre na papa Aparachiki nu oni ho. Eti yes papa ti adwam a wo central MP no wasode a chese wo kasa fa ha. Sa papa no so ne kasa ye boko wo kasa. Mr. Speaker Okono boko enti yesi no okono boko ana okono boko so asem no awoka no ya etwi the wise you hear say no say papa wani afi sane wo ranti se ka so ranti ana te so kasa rough wo kasa no aka kopia trase mayashun kwadidi wo nsem a wo ka na esisi so trase we da minyi ni se na yi mo wo hono mo Haruna mo komo ombeso ni muse ya eso yesi papa no ya na yesi dabi emrahye badwama ye nhyeda meye dede sa eti ko anu tum ene e ma ho central MP wotena ase a boko Benjamin Kpodo ode ne de tena ase na papa yasem a wakan abushia ehia se ye gibre ne ka Professor Stephen Kwaku Asaye ene papa wo baga na ha se ya mram no woni enim mra pa wo se me ye chartered accountant so mra no so ma sa hia me sa ye lawyer US Florida en wo no oba na anu no se Ghana sane school ye tete woni a wo wonim de fa mra ho ya ye no my Ghana mwenye law school no was time we are se babia ni hono mo a wo law school time was system time to say Ghana de was nipa no be ko baabi ti se KNUST wo be ko Legon wo be wie na wo se oba mokola empanimfo no nim se ye hu nso ye hu nso ye dwade ye ni dan ye nipa no betenem ni ahyeda pe emra ne niema chenchene se okay ni e be try entrance exams wo wi a ye se bra interview ni ye de asone nipa a wa qualify ye wo so ko school no ni ye yi na frim wo se afibia no no ne nkonta wabuo ni chese nipa 5000 ya chese omo ye qualify students anke wo so real law school ye pamon enya so omo qualify you ye said that the mrane niema basa bi ne de awe no say Ghana say ya nhwe ya ye de sa system fun we sa be ma ye ka suku ye fa mra ho a be kakra obi ampese obekobi eti prof so de ya wode abetumu eno no
Yanto aso yemfa the new crusading guide obokrata na emfanto aso na opanyine Alex Smooth ni mfonyine eda ha na the obokrata echirima waso opanyine ne penso contract bi a odene sa sha asese from Majari Saboa gas anke ani wudwuma ewo maimuna kwa ekotobekuma ameneyi efunu ne bi ewonsam eba montren na yaso opanyine deal bi ya ne dwumakuo bi e fra na quantum power ena wopanyine ejina Ghana de hia na mu naja National Petroleum Corporation wana na epanyimpa woda no wodo wasa kwhya ase yese na na do bae wo hwe contract no so contract we de atwetwe na so eju wotro ne safra panyimfo akwantum power wo ne da no no so momra ne antena se na afa yanya hwemu fanfa ho se mo anka masem ye yaje afirum nsem afa de panyimfo ese da bi contract ne de hia ye pa na ne monte so ye teso ha mabu pa duanan 40% eni atifri so no na jeze nka seska we nyina mo baje akodi ye no mu ko ye fa nkopem dan moja ba ya tafrimo mo ya de mo nsem mo na musa nwoma ni pamiensa eti sam ready de obokrata president you crusading guide was opanyina Alex Smooth emre obetra konwa kese so no sabe adwuma bone eno ye de ma wo man ye ho amanfa so afam wo man ye ne de obokrata wo de nsem bi aka ho eno de aba na
edukumi asama hokai nipa no otumi so hwe nyame anim no nim say 40% na that time or sign contract ni kwan say koka ho de ka ho wate so nti ye ja no
Dabi enim si ache no
hwe sa kokwa na stories na ya politicians ma yin jaiti nipa net ma hwe nyame anim ahunu say 40% no wo de emfa say Alex Mold ni wo mo na ye minim de but ye emfa ne say de wo mo kan sanity na ono na aye na wate ase na wasign contract and they say 40% na say yes say wono mate free so no de toso It is a yes, I buy a session, yeah. Because I'm from Casa 40% combated the Amagana.
Debbie.
Okay. And I walk on and say president and then Grofano at Tracy. And
no matter 40%.
Into a more he.
Nanipa Nankasa on tea, could you? As I'm now can meba. Say no crash of penal smooth. When Nimpan was shed about Mangana Pusa, your fans and Yapu, I brought in a bo Mangana, one of any day. And
I maybe say, one no, because contract, you know, and Alex Mode Company Limited. The Debbie, a company bina, one Monday, one more sign, a quantum for a sign. And to quantum, so no woman said that 40% or more, you know. Commit me a year for so. No, make me a year for so. It's no more than one archer, say Yampa, or one equache.
The Oboka Tanes is so much.
And Tinetta says, I buy answer, son, because I fought and communion friso.
Debbie,
it's a buying society. And I'm penny for some who say no, I didn't boarding. And I want to meet me at TSO, contractor, what was Sanya Rio. Oh, my review. At me, who said no, ye Bugana Faso. And the Yamama Cosana. And only ask them, you miss him, Cotodia, who be the real body. I'm quite my sumrana. Mene Nanam Pofuche. But for the second, as I'm here, on the Jubilee Park, no, a quite penny chat on the Jubilee Park in Tem. Udu Asante, and that's a toda, but Teteno Crown, woman, Onuna, Baire, on the back carrier, so obedi Baira was Antibema. What me, oh, Nana Homanatico, Nana Samba Buma, Yabomodian say a better was. And no, say I'm Padia, Uncle your quantum for in
and your quantum for non say Ampa. As
Alex say a quantum Alex, but you bet you say Ampa. You bet Alex.
On say, oh my women, say, Bibi Quayaman, your Sempene and foolish kiss. It is to swap as an ordinary Ghanaian. Sabe Ghana need to share 1 raman, you could be and as Adi and Kokujina Mukran and Kayet 10 Ghana see describe Cassandra Mikasan.
Something will be actually not then who will
so, Mamma Nafe, Menqua Homano Sonafe and Nana Ampa for Cheba for the second as him in the Enkutaho. And now, Adam, I'll come and watch him.
Yeah, a blue.
Now, Bibiabo called there.
Namia Dominum Pie Bunty, Yahoye.
Yes, so body at Roma. A Jamuja, quite frequent Dunkra, Yahoye pa. I know Adamo, Jubilee Park, dear. It's now hope a quite penny chow in Jubilee Park. Say, Jubilee Park, that's a saying, Adama.
Adoma, Jubilee Park, dear, Yankopon, Adaroma, said you boosted your control, Santana. 1980 baby. As your cousin Bruno as Simwa, there's a Tikrupa. I'll hear Jubilee Park over here. Tituan Kwana, Hane Stadium. Hana Babayara, Sarusu, there's a J. Kotokofoni na TV watching Hane Bobo. And the Jubilee Park, no, the BC, no, Ache. Na some many friend Justin's Park. And then Mampani Kufada Roma or buy or castle BCC and Nampa or CSMA Sabri Jubilee Park no Domo ni Eshamudie debris a year and some debris Hana Amafo na Obiaba Obabe diso Bibia Scosboko na so they now work on Jubilee Park no Mampani Kufon and Shishemu so they were yeah no and Kania or yeah this is CGB Park and na Tembia and Dimoya and so because baby you hire and I'm a Juno. But dear son, not Omu, and no one a fishing man, Jubilee Park and a Jan and Super.
Tinkani and I want to say, Anna and so Adama.
And so
Bibi Akabia, dear.
You come up,
come up. Virginia said, Uben, wait, dear, won't shaman and say. Nana Wadama, baby, I na say bia, Obi yam can kakra obi peso gun so bia, Wadamo, and no Samia no, yeah.
And no, Omon Baye, Umbisi down from first part, no yebi. Now, Marcus one yet. A Honda says, yeah, no, say, Oma has ya. Omo, yeah, Hodima. Said the Baya, Ubi Bao, and so for baby. Can be Amoya, no Makofa. Containers for the year to be sure. You'd be sure so cross or be so many that be a bit who could have a fire. na makasa ho saa chanza me na me frɛ o ma yɛde ne ma na ma ha no ma ombefa
oh kafra na eba ne saa ya na akromfo mbeje ho mmoso de
saa brede nyame adom zongo prospeni na oba no digma obomode pa prospeni no ofana djuma ni agro o fra no po wiwo anaju obeba oba tembia o mane koda so ba behwehwe ho ne ade nti saa brede se ho GB Park ntoko bia si ho bra GB Park ba yeda
yo
nansia bi na omoye ne meneme bi na enyama bojo kramofo chiwe guye no na omo si ye bojo bia omo bojo na fe na de ko deport to sports timi bufu kasa omo se mo timi me ye ne masa mo timi twidom me gu party so na mo fa me ye politics e man to kwasemo ma ha na mo sa na mo ha ye sa
madam no pay da se bibia se kira ba for e be frel
na mo se okay
Mate yeah Nana Mpofuche ba for the second day asimhene Jubilee Park ne ono kwan ni twa ne ntemu ono na mra ye
Masi Jubilee Park ne ntumi ensei sao
se no
won baby e wo no won baby e no wo no
na ayem for na
etwa mo ho ahia
ba no de washroom no de fititi
untumi
fititi washroom no de
enye ba ku mienu enye yi a enye te se ada years de
Amikwa Homana Suna Femene Richard Yabua on a Cape Coast Metropolitan Assembly Kasama for Rich. Good morning.
Good morning, Captain Medini Richmond.
Richmond.
Yes, please.
Not Dane.
Yamana the ones.
No, Yamanadum. Yahuye. Mbacho. Jubilee Park no basis in Durban.
Jubilee Park no ente BCC. Me no kase crowd no. I attempt to be see a bit me CC. But then only no na is kasem. But many are correction way. But they did come in here with T4 Moti or Adom FM or my Ghana Munina. Pictures now no. As a report, I a letter unfair to the current managers of the assembly. Ninina say, over the issue was to see an why critical pano a roofing sheet na a beard to know. And no, some 3 weeks ago, and a rainstorm be a buy and a 2 year, but procurement processes ninina we are a contractor or no bears our renovation in the back side. But the main problem no is got to do with facility dinner face the seal here I'm say washroom facilities here sink and friend say toilet seat any home corner ben nyina eka ho ni roofing sheet ni nyina assess and only the main issue go for kan ho asempa but this issue ne say abra here Jubilee Park no in 2007 assembly no then edima obi say ontimi hwe no onye restaurant no nipa na free mo no from that time by 2009 2010 ABC and or abandon sa structure no completely our mon fanya hwe and then so to na go so na asa be disabre enunti no abro no abones ata eba akonya no so no or I said there be ohesene staff facility na national year facility as ceremonial programs in ano ehon ye no onhwe manen sesa nti yem fanse budget mu na yenya major renovation but unfortunately no this budget mu no nya de say 2007 2018 yetimi nya sky ye because the same time no now back Cape Coast ye de mobo we won't see Metropolitan Assembly but ba nyama bit say school dan that it is school dan almost every time no also a renovation Cape Coast unfortunately even though ye urban ye were peri-urban and then rural communities were rural communities near some of the peri-urban areas almost here chips compound and until onye scale so to me boa health service now will provide the chips compound at the moment. The budget now the year for 2018 and ya dey say to me say yes ka kokoye. Nti ekuye nim no November 28 2018 no abo na start there be yenye a year advert ewo Ghanaian Times no do Ghanaian Times Wednesday November 20 2018 na ye place advert here po bia obetimi ababeboa hello obia obetumi ababeboa na Cape Coast Town Hall na fe Victoria Park no Jubilee Park no on betumi ababeboa na Victoria Park proper the restaurant na abandoned no or the sika ababesem wa renovate owia na afe no or no the adwuma mfa so obenya no afa bi no ama assembly ni bi ye no nipa ba kon and the proposal by but do here na ho de na now no na dwen na say bia Victoria Park proper ana or no ba beje na say renovation and redevelopment of that restaurant facility no enya de so timi so beti ho yi ntini de man na enye na since then yakoswa ma me no ka say the proposal crowd the Coastal Development Authority and him say this is a strategic facility in terms of its history. History crowd the Victoria Park we are told was the first place bought football in Ghana. Until now about the history and that facility a very strategic for Ghana and Cape Coast as a whole. Until what we are saying is Coastal Development Authority or more facility be on me aboya or mombo into omono they are more apart from that no me no ka say assembly na so say betimi enya resources na say IGF e betimi aye ni bibi na sa Porsche restaurant they abandoned for so many years no yet me so etu honjuma but the report a roofing sheet na and so no two no coin we have all the roofing sheet the procurement process is complete menye so say month no ebe beyond a month ne bend there yenye sa roofing sheet na demand
to catch up in the for Jubilee Park where Jumana or holding in by the close of July.
The pavilion, dear no. There no roofing sheet near that small a minor renovation where by close of July we'll do that way. But the restaurant na making was a Zoma abandoned for so many years no. And no, unfortunately as it stands now no assembly na holding ain't me. Or no cases here no oko Philip Kweku school. Oko Jacob Western School omuhia facilities sky nyana nse no ye de bia ko ha ye 3 classroom block e de ama Jacob Western say oko antema ensuo ememo school na no ntimi no ka say ye sky nya de bia ko akosho ese enye school na no emfa momo sanso na ko ba bi 7 pass ma 6 compound omo no unfortunately na you be fie nipa netu omo ti de esa se no siska bi obi ada ye de kokoboa bro fiedu ewo Cape Coast the same issue okodankwa kroma the same issue and the street lights and so yeah there ababa hardene pa and the campaign and so a clean Cape Coast campaign mean can just no pay a year open defecation yeah task force no need policemen echo and actually pa be 20 until we nyina no edge resources no until ama sa restaurant no yenya problem no na make say
na but sir open defecation no Ministry of Tourism can say ye chi obi a ye wo sika se so tuase de ne kokota
and that is true ntime no ka say omo nyina de omo ko baka no 20 omo no pay ye de omo ko baka no police station yes sir
Richie show baby Jubilee Park is see ankrofo ene ne gu hu hwe baby e wo ne Professor Mills library no so anwen ne sin na wo de hwe baby Castle war are tourist baho almost every day. Assembly no but I mean mentasio won't be nya bibia betrama dipa de beja ho ne
and I make us say and nuntina your special task force me no kasa no pay operation here no ya 20 ya arrange your before court na punishment be or say the mom bia no yeah, the moment. Back to the restaurant now, an abandoned restaurant now, and also we announce very soon. Say propose the Coastal Development Authority. Apart from that, and Casa resource see bit me the renovation or facility no. Because we cannot lose that facility. Strategic in terms of the history and the importance that facility there or the Cape Coast.
Sir, your point I'm on the restaurant. You never home. Mamenda was say ending of this month. You never why? Somewhere. Okay. Richmond Yabua, CCM. 4 PR. Or say any the end checkra. One more bay. Master could I call? Master morning.
Good morning, smart.
Now, be fine.
Oh, and you're crown to me, boy, because I know when to me, I'm boy. I'm here doing the Kaka.
And what do you hear now? Okay.
I don't know, Kaza, Ray, you or Ministry of Health or Min Corner, the Uncle Zishi.
Nansa one call.
Is a me quite me Busana as you be no.
There be one call.
Any chain now, I year.
And I will be blaming whom we want call.
Tell me, Kofa, Uncle Zishi.
Then say Uncle Sakofa.
I'm going to be able to say rainy.
And you know, one call.
Okay, any chain I hear no once a month.
Because I'll send this kind of back to me.
Hey!
One call.
Maybe be able to do or me banker and I'm a baby show.
Wow. Jubilee Park and go for the other to say.
Go for the Jubilee Park and smart. I won't send by any men. May say, there's in Fisher, but change you crown. I won't send the Pija as I say. Now, said the a month for Eddie Omopeco the Daho. Commentary rooms almost see any a bank a crowd, she hoka, Cabaya service here, the Adeno. A month for Diaboso. One more to Tony Amao, a crown cry to medium Namaku, a bit daho, any idea. Now, said your benefit for being who baby a Kofodia Jubilee Park won't know, may person me tramp for Nika Cadichete for. Sir Ufi, Manfi, and I will rock Kofodia. There are 2 traffic lights from that stretch and from the main town. First one is poly traffic light. Second one is a Galloway traffic light. We do Galloway traffic light. I want to kumso. O mania, first junction on your right, you know. I want a Jubilee Park, you know. Now Jubilee Park, and then in Chemu, when I want my bees market and an chinsono and a Center for National Culture. Now said the hotel, Uremwa, Ubenkumsono, days, maybe I'm penny for no eternano. I shed Kakana, a dine room, a washroom room there. Now, did that the Yana me first second year because on my day, Bob's abo, and so, and then Shum Kakami chair, me chair say, Kania pass a yatric Kania cover there. Kania, you want to say, we be you may go cry. I do also generator, and I say, or connected like if we a different place, and I say, this market. Now, there's in the society hotel, TNJ on the ball ceiling. Dodo na awa ya na say tutua te say nchen facial board ko bia emra hu say tutua enche dan fo bia ho sa glass kakra omode ye window ewo days no e dan na ewo mu no ibabon fo bia ko papa glass na ana so ma pai bi ye digu so egu osa ofi days na o ye stand miensa ba ko obonkum so na ba ko nifa so ana ba ko wenim street na obeka se bro aso blog no mo dia to bibi etisa na nipa ba na wa betrans enye bibi abetimi aka se ye dia konya sisi so ye blogs na omali ana o mabo share sisi so best 3 or 4 enti bibi o jumedi bi koso ana wakwa akotna ho na esan se architectural work no menya architect ye menya surveyor na menya bet common sense choose say the omo ye grounds so say so ta at the insuso no de notie efi soro ho ba be gu park ne so enti no maybe atwem no be du park na isa so notie e breaks no nobody e floor no there there say insuso no e de notie ba enti no inwura be fu wo park ne say ameno ga se gwadu a breaks ni tokotoko bi wo ha say inwura efufu ho a ene isa say ho down pan enti aposifo a omo regional police headquarters training school no recruit for no omo ba be training no aya mpempi ho no omo ko training omo ko parade emukwa ye clinic akanti no none for this committee me say iso ata ho no recruit for na etwe ya omo pra no tie as omo sesa no tie a ewo ho nyina enti no pitch no so ana say floor no so ankasa no sheda nya hom kensa say institution de no tie efiri esoro ebebegu ho na udnya days ni opposite a dan baby a commentators no ewo no ana say wasan komotna no ni nchemu ho no it's not saying Susan fish roba nintino. In Susan, Dianasi, I am here, a Sadano, and Chibiano, a best in Senho. Now, Susan, yes, and a Brixona, a war in Hona, a day ba, park in this one. In Susan, baby, a few more, abo abana ewo ho enti say o man sia no ni mani mi ya in so to no wan hwa the omani beti no ana say be hu ni say park ne fa no in sunsan ahohoro edeko ana esan say obian sheda en na ho na eho akoya manfo ebi obodam ni bi na ma obra na obeda ho bi kodiga obra na obeda ho ntino ase echire ho omo sheda ndi ho ni baby am share ni baby commentators no and I say commentary boxes now my ho so ada na chi no ase obi dia yefu obi abode dia ya kan say nkruma nyina ewo evi park ni so ankasa crowd je ho say baby erosion no ayi breaks no efi no nkruma fifi wo ho a inim sa amafo bete de koye factory de chini akla dia mintimi nchire ena ne nchemu ho no so no as there is no proper toilet facility ndi omo ba betwem betra ho ye omo ne manyina no ofa chire ho na akwa so ntudu what me say ho bon ye pa na sentem na no say Jubilee Park no mo ye apartment bi won chen a omo de be bar ni restaurant na say na me say omo de ama obi as say no no esi ho ana say wesi ho a oton sa na edianye ne benkuni ade we say ho kama tini nchemu ho de na park ne so angazanga pa say ho ya hom kan de ya de a enshada ensoni enna mi twamfoni ni video kakra at buy na de me ntia me nya ne say esan say dwumadi no Ghana as 50 secretariat and I award the contract no na omo ye yinti no assembly no enshada eni su control but am told say no wo person ye bibi o ho a assembly ho na be kukutu kakra na wetimi aba be ntia me nya ne say officially no kura no contractor we see sa park no one said that I hand over the facility to the assembly and as a na manso kakra was so as a you say check and ye contract and ye the be hand over and to besine no essence wa takashibu no menya ne chance assembly no adia omo no mo rane dwumadi tutu bi a said an koso e bia na post for omo ye parade we say recruit for a personal parade no makwa bi ho ye bi ba na ye pebe bia ya ebi nso ko etimi kokoye ho bia so for convention na ade kakaka ho nye baby ye very active once the while na event ko ho enti no ubusha park na de said ye won manage no en shedan so ni na woni amanfo kasa ombusa say indisenka ye private entity ana nka ye ne dia anke betimi atete apansam say enti ubusha akofo de Jubilee Park na de shedan papa man hwi ya in the next 1 year or two no erosion no ebe horo park ni na e de akọ
na che say Jubilee Park ni na bia no hwete apo
and shut down your papa biasa now even stance now wo moye no especially opposite the days no baby commentary rooms no wo no make sure say erosion yi down as ninchemu ho no kra no baby who cracks who say baby tutu I say o man shut down your quality work you could feel the shoddy works are almost a year I say the just abobo baby I'm a baby tutu entino uhemu pa na just say there are structural defects crowd most of the time the first painting almost year 2007 no 2006 no if you hold almost that painting at the end you know and said that papa biasa
maminda wa say Max Akudeko
that's smart but you na eche na me ba na mabedi
wa nkasa wa na wonye serious wompe
ye dia ko dia o say
Max Akudeko Eastern Regional Correspondent na say no also the same
papa biani
also papa biani
ya say ya de ba ko na namu
me papa ni ko dwompani
ana rekubrobe
mempere rekubrobe mempere
rekubrobe so ye
mempere
so no odi anim Ghana achi
mempere rekubrobe medasia producer medase
one ever
former chief of staff of the Republic of Ghana
ejo
Mr. Kodopeni akrauti menkama che
ejo so
bibia bokode over
nyame adaro ma bibia boko
yete won kana achede edim se wo ho je Wadama Ghana at 50 eba na Amerikatuo wom said ebe yo man ye betimi nya niam bia daache enchirema pia obetimi de won satene so na be yen hyeso de ya kase o man di mfie aduonum na niam wenum eba ye e ma beto ma mantam edu ni nyina no Koba say ye Jubilee Park say woni nyina mu ye wie ye edidi sa Ghana mfiedu no ma fenhyada no ene mere ya me no ka say ye do ko edu ni nyina mu a wo se befem ni nyina asaya level na ade na duru no kura no sebe Cape Coast de na ni PR no kura kasa na o ka chensa ade no be bia duru no ase ho ne nkrofo gya o mo na kura anope o makochi nipa 20 ofa wadama ye ndai hunu sei
wait a question question na busam na ye kro ye kro much mu ni abofo friend maintenance no em say kaichi bebre nya kakra kaichi bebre di fide bokaya de fe na bia sika kakra afi bia be yide bia pentino ana ba bia bude no enya de ehia ehia ze be hwa ma no asai ni aka te nsanko pesika fofo nsanko yebiu ntie ni sa minim omo hwe so no ahwa ma na esa no ma nim ni ntie ma onwe esa ka ne boy na said na wo ti so cheche mu ayen sankyere ni so ukobi man so a bo ni akwakire we breso ne yi we na se kura yi fa English ya boche call London was a the Jubilee line. Jubilee line no visa Jubilee church mo Jubilee line Queen's Jubilee in the line no en fe ko tremon wani agi nkofo ye fa bedu ekrum so a ne ayi ne basa idi am say ye nyina sede se abeke ho na wo mo agi ma se o monsa no ye hu ze ya yanki omu a yanka am sa Ghana no ye nya hwe mo me fa manya me nye dodo sanwa na am say how me iti bi me tu aka ne se ne o mo sa mo afra se yakan munka na o mo hwe so na o mutu ne yanka ku se abafo nyina bagya tu zampa ifika ne de ye sa de fefefe edi ezese hwe ma no seye du mo edi ahye mo nsa no yesra mo se mo hwe ma di ni si ona dati am nkora bi ba no me hu the Jubilee Park we bisa ja ne friend Jubilee Park ga the 50th Jubilee na abana no ho ni si ye sanye de be kai ye independence ya na fa ho die no ti ne metu aka ho anu
de bia ya na me pe no mebusa wasemba ko bia na de menya hu nyame aye madoma kai de mebusa wo de chief of staff nyuma bebre na wo ho a mompani dada ko for de nsaka se na oye na aja ye man mo amembo mra no kire se wodi mfie wotwe se wokọ ebi ne Jubilee Park si mompani ko for sha se oye affordable housing enu achi no wokọ district ne bebre ensuo kura o hyehya ase project akese bebre o hyehya ase ne nyina efim no ofia bam 2008 besi ne the assay the essay so what trust na wodwunu ho a hwe sambra na wodi chief of staff na no hwe se eniema tete sei yegya pansa sana ya ho ye wodai
o ya na me ya na awre ho e ma awre do amiam ku nu do ho angofo gba fam me enko hwe yi di bi hwe an ma dwen se na o man yi ye ne se die nti o man yi betumi ayi die na says the civic education for 60 years whatever it is no so omo chamanfo bikedi amanfo hu se sane mo nyina amanfo de amanfo no asika na de ye must be bin says so omo yesa enti omo amanfo ntia se hu se obi hwa so no onye niye ana ye de asika no asia godu ba bi na banfo pro ba so nya o se trade o how be more abai no ana nipo hwe so no me yesa ne ma no inu ya ne sa they say me nyoma bi ho hu na meti ana me wura ho pa se o man yi se mania ma koso se ya se bibia ye partisan we na ye dia we na enye we na kan dia ene se o kan ye papo enye papo mi wa se ndi eze me kan se enye wom se we ye party politics ndie ento sua bebam na mom I'm saying, but I am saying, the chair, pa, or Ghana, if you school nature, say, yeah, or man be a friend of Ghana, yeah, man. Be you, I was saying, France, yeah, Chankora, class, you see. Now you say, I was here, bottom by. Yeah, Yanisa, now I am more home by ya. bibia be hwe ska pie gu a oman no entimi nkone ninja
ebu de hin na unhu ya na obi frɛ wo ka kyerɛ wa ɛyɛ wo ya pa
bi ni ɛyɛ wo kan ɛyɛ wo kan sisi a obi ko fa me ko hwɛ bi
affordable housing no
affordable housing me am ko kwa so obi kan am je so boa na am so se mbrɛ nti o fa me an o ko fo na mu sisi adan wo bebre na amanfo ebi friends akɔtrɛtrɛmu a ɔmo ade nneɛma bobɔ hɔ trɛtrɛmu na mehwɛ ne da no adura kakra wo sɛ de to aso ne anya yi no a na mebusa mo sɛ asɛm bɛn aban kufoɔ na fira sɛ wurade kufoɔ nya ne deɛ o ɔno agya ɔkɔ edi yɛma amanfo nya ho mfa so ɔno deɛ wɔwie ne deɛ ɔkɔ sɛdeɛ wodi kaka yi mfie nwɔtwe no so yɛ no ara no mmara sɛ ɔnkɔ ebi anka mmara no ma kwan sɛ otu ko bi man ke bi amanfo beto ama no transfer awie ni nyina ba no no se mmara no nti on de okọ ti wa wo bae no wo ya ma Ghana fo onye makufo
aya wo ni akra hia na mudi nkomo na nsem sei ba mu a aya wo hwa na ofili sei
o se ne ya se o sabe o ne ya o bi o mo a bi o won ka hwe bi so ba so unu bi a ona hwe nanim na bi a ne nanim se nanim be no no se ade a hye na kuma pa ne yisa eso de na obetumi aye untumi nya ho hwe go tumi ni nu nsem bi
wadama wo unim die mu no den ye betimi aye asa ne meto betimi atwa maye
na me ka se be gidi se ade kire ade anadisua be gidi se yi National Council of Civic Education, for example, and so some way, you mean politics, election, I call trouble by you know the chunk for. It's when you know, my mom who says, is your ye seeker, and your dear Sadian. Or tax your chair and your dear Zeno. I say, yeah, it was out your tax I for pro. Next as I dear acquire for Jibian, you sure say your mouth into Koyama. It's the Indian regime, and never ye idea. Yeah, we come, madam, Buanian baby co. You didn't do come out, say, I buy new of us here, I buy new of us here. Never because you're buying new of us here, or say, about us young, or fast young, and offer program my name. It was a man, who said, you know, you're buying one fast food. Yes, it's set. I did idea in Nancy Kayano, dear. Yen Sian, you who said, as I say, a casa home. As I say, a casa home. That's one can say 2 years born. One can say well, man, now say yeah, Parliament for can say Edwin say could see a day. I didn't know so much. Because I'm for original said www. One who is a man for any abre. And the answer I see a share say, you know, say, Bibi Sanu Dra, and the parties not to say. Near who say, yeah, the idea no, sir, Nipano see no. Or see you when you see you on the idea. Yang or mine no idea. Until any brain as the beside you are buying so we are. Side the about so in year. This is a Bambia who is as a month for near Brisa. Naomi and such as a bino. Sorry, in a year. Timid Americans as I see who say idea. Now, my mom for she said, be a idea no incoyeno. Among for a moment in Merhon and Casahon. Yenya must have a monqua a youth. I saw more kind, I'm so more Casamon for Sissy. Among for the every we are bet your band to her, or better than Crawford, among for no pre. A bambia some per se, or bar never trouble piano. It will chill in every hour, the mechanical quacoy.
Of Agojano pay that CBS Travis Afro.
You will mention down.
Kojon Piani, a former chief of staff, Mampani Dada John Ajokum Kofo.
Asem na no fa aka no. Unso wo ye mfa to se. Sankanya Ghana fo esore ye mabu na esore ya. Anka chembe yi. Chembe yi. Ke bi anka samri kranka ya sha si.
Catch your sister about time.
You know. Yes, Bobo Chinfo free so as be catch us den cheme wa enye chinye. We ye wo bia wa ye chiame hene. E wo mampanyina kache. E na workers ba bia du no Ghana mabu no ye nsore. I was here making sure say every person, every kobo, ye beti tie mo room de be ma panyin bia no, obu hu contact e de kire wo man na ho ba mfaso. E magunu ne bre.
Come do.
Masa. Ukodu fie pa na hwe magunu egu fie, egu puna chi twa. Wo de minim say wo de nyina de same area. Omo ti fie twan wo. Uduru abosu ene de mani da so. Wan pe kakra ma me buada. Asa agragro. E na ni bresam na oka no. E na ni bresam ha minim obi a wo so wo pe mesin adwuma ye. Mesin. Timi firi akoduru ko foridua bo anya bi. Adwuma no wan. Enti kakra na wo ho na ne nyina ye ko ntokwasa ye mi adwuma. Ye nya hwe ye je taxi a ye de man panfo wo hu ba bia be kwa kofa.
Yo. Abusha yemfa daybreak the bonkrata entwa so papa kwadwompi anim awie de na chese ye koyanim na yesi shake up na ekoso ewo giare kana kwadwoda moa Canada moa mami cha Canada moa ne entwa so
chana fa weto
wo yesi shake up
shake up ya ye shake up ya ye figana police service mesin Bella yaun.
Asa papa we do ya shim.
Shake a hip on him bear.
Papa we do ya shim man. You besi wo.
You dey shake up now. Yeah.
And no mo atwiro bush no so no. Won say na say book bi ba ya ye se ne atwiro say what is the stomach used for? One mo say for chewing. For chewing. One say body pass no kwala ne ye che o made a ne atwiro mouth.
Book bi ba sa.
Ai eno ho achinye. Omo atwiro bush no kura na omo kom we bi si o etu e bi si nye true. Say empanimfo se nhyehyefo from the abanse say otwo test bush a this year certified say bubuku no
yet ya no ka chen say obi twasene a ya be certify
we dey yes ye no project etu nkwatwere the stomach is for chewing now we fam mass
and the man kwada no school
ne pamphlets ahoro no mo cho sa books no o mo ne dey sa akokobọ ne ma the stomach is for chewing for no yes say wo twero wi a entwero mfa meto abonten wo twero a fa koma mpanimfo enhwemu ansa
yamfa delegate obokata
fatu baby
oh delegate
fatu baby
mama yarga ni fonyini da hawo
we o si ka asem no kwakọ mu yenja na asem di wakọ
wasi enya na asem di wakọ na papa ba ko bi so yesi ache no
mama nkwa ahoma no so
ukwa ahoma no
so fatu baby
yesi ache no for meda
we dey fatu
we pabu na
we dey fatu baby fatu baby
kwajo
we dey afunya mani bi o wa tan bufu what is kolakma wa fa lakma kwa no so baby hospital no wa fa
me fa wa che na yate se oba anyam na de ka kusuo so mfron ko hospital so onko
baby anko
wunim se
yes adwonboni about trimu peso ko pan
no se okoboy be lusu a efri sa kwan we se okoboy
baby mama yan fa se okoboy no mama nko amano so e me fa pe wa homa no so e me fa fa
me for her for
NB
it's just an pay ya be let my clients ma tin ko mo amugo wo studio ho no pepa tia yakọ antenatal ho akọ women's ward ho na ma omu nyina se na omu ba ha nyina na se wo so omu si omudu junction no so omu si no omu nante edeba hospital ho because said ya omu kan no se upese owo wo kwan no so dia na je say 99% otna car mu ediba hospital so be prefer say obenante diaba na metese na mo ka okoboy ba no resident any o makasa wa ha any o more patients especially o more hospital ni nyina say sia de enye politics e mo they don't care whether it is NDC or NPP all that they want is a road fix. They don't care whose political ambition is on the line. Jomuya say a quine ye best 7 kilometer stretch of road. A quine ye bit me a link to Adbeliza quine amiki. Go for muko temo muko spintex road in art me for her. Residents say enough is enough. Let man no the and the edu. There was here 60 road. Me na quine me fit here me no kasa captain. A quine to hotel or quine to hotel for say in go for my hotel hobby. Hotel la yesi ne kakaka edi esi ha ko fon person be ba hobio because e kwan be no be nam so edi aba das you futu papa we dina ha me she fight me de ba ha na be wu Mrs. here Adani Brown Bibia doesn't work on this road. Schools, Hanum say school, Nkola school, kindergarten, school, when they any headmaster, any headmistress, Kasa, almost to see an Okobe, you or Mumeshi Hanum see. They are called hospital needs, I see any hospital administration, Kasa, I say. At the end, plan they did so in terms of a Yari and for the Baha. Number one, tract infections, breathing infections, and no one for the hospital Hanum because the caterpillar back could more quine in foot travel in Heli, Ediacomono, Nen Edika. That is what will be. So top 10, Yarianko for the Balek Maha. Tract breathing infections and one uncle for the Bahanum say. If you're quite lekma, yeah, kind here. Say 6 lekma now, no. Edika, you need to 6 lekma now because you know that your nurse back on them. We see, and no Nantiaba. Next as a nurse to cry is here. Now, only why we bet Naka Muaba because he knows the implications of it, of sitting in a car and being on this road. Captain, Obaha,
other way, may say, National Ambulance, the ambulance, they are all Johnny Pano. Say, quite 7 to 8 kilometers peno. Say, Bibia Yoke ambulance, say, at the Obio Yari, it's our quite so the Nakwa. Watch a between 9 to 15 minutes. And so to be 8 kilometers. No, less. The last time an ambulance didn't pa or bow on him, ever quite so I call Lekmano, 48 minutes. Obanu. Now, Major Woman says, we'll relic my hospital, no, they're open when I chew on in footro equipment or hospital in I.
If you are high in Pentia, you Pentia, see Diane, once with that, that's the Pentia amount. A bit painting it brown, color pen, Ubenya said deep brown, light brown. That's 9 foot na be painted dynamount. And once I see Diana, no way to do home. Asa, o plaster, asa. That's the painting amount. And no, not the issue, no, I will like my hanum tea. The Wawa came. Like my building us or more with him so musino. That's no one, you know. Yem painty baby, our ya consulting room, perform more consultations. Now, most of them you could tell. So, most of them, no, it's anti-data purposes in Tinanko for Baha. That's the #1 referral center. Let my house, a hospital, it's a #1 referral center. So, what the Uncle Funt means here, and say, so you to me, the hospital, Kakra, you were Uncle Fubit, you know, my yarisa. At the end, they see quine, see a bit near a quine way, Uncle Fubit, at the upper hospital. And Uncle Fu NTS here is one of the major issues that they are talking about. As you see, it is not about politics anymore. Fix Lekma now.
Mammy, now I say, Odo, you better trust her.
That's the captain.
And you know, yes, sir. On my yatima, Bibi Papa Bia, Lekma, a international hospital. You see, international diabetes for sure, you know. Lekma was one of the hospitals, sir. It show you that they had wanted to adopt a quainty, ya abandon, or mama, a quaint 7 kilometers. Would the 8 but not 10? Such a facility. I day of close to $420 million need to see, you know, say. How
much would it cost?
What the young fan say. Ye just to say, and
contractor phone be a child. So Mubaha said, how much would it cost?
I'm from Mresses and infant to us.
Na MFA ka say omo see omo nya no politics omo nya hwe edu omo ka so omo nya no politics no say they don't care about what we MP wo hono say wa anya kwan no mbeto atia enu nti say tie bia no say kwan we omo anya
na ekwan no MP na wo so wo ye
Masa, what do you call your politics? What campaign? Obi Adom
na MP politics there.
I'm sure the young fan say MP the politics, but a ban governance. Na ufa sector bia your priority lanes.
Yes.
Uba Ministry of Roads and Highways. Now for Ministry of Health. National Security Council. As I said, common sense should tell these 3 important ministries say, as I say, first on the agenda. Why? Because a hospital is serving close to 1 million people every year. Common sense.
If you break it down,
common sense should tell you, say, the hospital serves 1 million people a year. Number 2, and no linking the biggest capital a year closer to the national capital. Tema. Iti yet now. Na dear no say. Then you pa a man you like my crying so, or because speed as a car call ambulance be kon to me call. Just out to was then you pan woo ya na ya be dede na ya sere na da busu afa ko botwene na nye we sam wo fa like man footro pa wo suffer wo liver blades ni mu say ya footro be ba on sa ho no
kwaju asempa itia asem ni bi ho a ne kedin akwai ti so fast na ntinkuru wu mia na fie ne ya wa mia yitu wei sanka panyini bi ho nipa akofa kwan no so ena ko afiri mu ti se de mefe kan ya anka kwan no nkia ye wahu so ma we ya adwembone be ba Ghana mabunu tirima ma yese Ghana mabunu be bom paye sa biribi ai sign to mpanyimfo na o man ne nkodanim
so mo se resha for ba ho
sa panyini bi firi mu sesi a ya to man mu ena a western region ya ni pai near friend Akana General Mirifinidi no ye Oko Parliament Roads and Highways Committee no ye chairman no western region no ye
MC Boampong
enye Boampong bakubika wafrim Mirifinidi kwajo fojo Adam free wafrim eni na enu eni nansa ni krom ye the light anadwo ne ye de ye kwan because he pivot.
I'm in Fee West for
you see, just a by election,
it doesn't make sense. So,
Captain, Minister, Rose Minister, the Bia or Bar, many a meti and say, oh, na ya, and away what I now, my
contractors, they do music and finance minister,
eh? Na contractors and so na no say obi frɛ o se mi momidin me pesa me kasa me pesa me bomidin
okoboni din sesi a kakra na aka na oyɛ no ye be woni pin ye beje o ma ye tim no
se sa de no so captain se mfiri wo ma ye adwuma I deserve to be paid ma ye adwuma wo se etua meka se ye nya ye no da bia manyofo ni de bedi o mo se wo contractor ye ma wadwuma ba dada abre so na se wo nye ni nipa ye ntua wo ka so o ma anye bold na say wo ye wo party ni wonya wo party ni wa ye wadwuma wa anye usika wa ye wadwuma wa anwe ntoto ye pa na so adwuma wo ye no wa anye adwuma papa ebi se bi so adwuma o mo ye de na meka sa yi latest so mu kwan so de no contractor wo ye adwuma otimba reverse no akotwetwa ntokuro no asa beto na adwuma so ebi so de nye
because ntua ne ka o
ye ntua wo kana wo ntumi nya wo ntumi nye
nipa so nkwa to da o mo dwene